The second step in the police application process is the physical agility course located at the Police Training Center at 8400 0 Street. Applicants who score 70% or more on the civil service exam are eligible to move on to this phase. The course consists of 7 stations the applicant is required to complete in less than 2 minutes 43 seconds. The first station begins in the building and requires the applicant to strike the target 5 times with a baton. The applicant can use either hand and the strikes must be at full strength. The applicant's time will begin at the first strike to the target. After the target is hit 5 times, the applicant then moves to Station 2. Station 2 consists of pushing a vehicle across the parking lot 60 feet. An instructor will be in the vehicle ensuring the applicant pushes the vehicle the entire 60 feet. The vehicle's back bumper will be placed on a black line. The applicant will push the vehicle until the back bumper crosses the other black line. Once the vehicle is past the black line, the applicant can proceed to Station 3. Station 3 is a 370-yard run around the property and back inside the building. The applicant must follow the marked course. The stage begins from the end location of the vehicle push, through the gate towards the grassy area. Here you must go through Stations 4 and 5 during the run. The applicant then follows the course toward 0 Street, where it turns left and proceeds toward the building. Once across the parking lot, the course turns left again and the applicant runs down the sidewalk towards the gate. The applicant then turns right and re-enters the building. Station 4 is the first obstacle in the 370-yard run. The applicant must climb up the stairs and then down the stairs. Once this obstacle is complete, the applicant turns to the left towards the walls of Station 5. Station 5 is 2 walls 4 feet high. There is a section missing in the wall to allow the applicant to have a method of climbing over the walls. The applicant must go over each wall in a manner in which the applicant is most comfortable. Once these obstacles are complete, the applicant will complete the run and proceed inside the building to Station 6. Station 6 begins as the applicant enters the building and proceeds to the table where a training weapon will be placed. The applicant will pick up the weapon and point it at the target. The applicant then must fire the weapon 3 times with one hand, switch to the other hand, and fire the weapon 3 more times. Once the applicant has completed this task, the weapon will be returned to the table and the applicant will proceed to Station 7. At Station 7, a 125-pound dummy will be lying on the ground in front of a painted black line. The applicant will drag or pull the dummy towards another black line 24 feet away. The applicant must pull the dummy completely across the line. Time will be stopped when the toes of the dummy cross the line. The applicant's time will then be recorded. If the time is less than 2 minutes 43 seconds, the applicant will continue to the next step of the application process. If the applicant's time is more than 2 minutes 43 seconds, the applicant will be given an opportunity to retest. If the applicant is then unable to complete the course in less than 2 minutes 43 seconds, the applicant is ineligible to proceed in the application process.